Okay, okay. So Arif, turning to you now, is there, and I'm going to use the word typical path. I mean, I know it's not quite the right phrase, but is there a kind of a typical path that an organization would take when planning a major digital technology project? And I mean that in terms of hiring a consultant, understanding your requirements, building the internal structures, and maybe creating the departments, that sort of thing.
Brilliant. First, thanks for having me, Rob. It's great to be among this good crowd here. Um, um, your question probably, what's the silver bullet that we should use? First, probably the best way for me to illustrate that is to share our journey, what we've done internally within CC and the World Economic Forum, with the World Economic Forum, that would hopefully answer your question. When we started all that, we realized the first thing, Rob, that we cannot do it alone. So as part of the forum, we, along with BCG, and I really thank Jeff for putting the slides earlier from the World Economic Forum and BCG. So we thought we need to set the context. We agreed on 3 years project plan to design what would be the future of infrastructure or construction B, and reduce scenarios, extreme scenarios, and go back to see what implication we have today. So that set the context for us, realizing that we cannot do it alone. Then we thought either we go create a unit that Mr. Know-it-all unit, or a unit that will orchestrate a set of initiatives. And this is the way we went. So what we've done first, how we're going to implement all these technologies and where. We thought to democratize the process. We ran a survey to a group of engineers, the younger the better, usually, and millennial generation and middle age maximum, to come up with ideas how they can implement exactly the chart that Jeff said, one of more technology in that chart, against where in CCC, and they have to relate it to either internal process improvement or creating a new business line as an objective. And then say in terms of technology, what do they need, timeline, budget, etc., pilot. And for those, we approved like 10 to 15 projects initially 3 years back. And for each project, we established a committee with diversified subject matter experts to promote collaboration and innovation thinking. And we start implementing and rolling out things as a pilot. Soon we realized after that most of the technology we are exploring are still immature and evolving. So this is where we had to engage the startup. And we created a startup inclusion program. We bring the startup along with the committee, along with the pilot project, and this is where things start rolling out. And for those that we succeeded, because we didn't succeed in everything, and you have to accept that, we created still a strategic partnership with the startups, and most importantly, the next phase would be scaling this up across CC. And here where we develop method statement, guideline, procedure, and this becomes this technology, the successful one that proven the ROI will be part of our day-to-day operation and manual, and then other departments will take over to implement it like any other department. So in that, this is the journey. I'm a strong believer in that. We should democratize the process, create set of strategic initiatives, orchestrate them, and bring all players from outside the organization as well as the inside the organization, set the scene,